Okay, so it was hard to explain. Like, there is really no just plain white except for right in the center of these cells and right there. Otherwise, it's got the fuchsia and the blue mixed into it. And as far as your gold, you see how those lights, all that was picking up as white. But if you look closely, there's blues and fuchsias mixed into all of the white. I tried not to have too much white. Okay, so as far as your golds, it's going to be based off of the light and your point of view. So as you can see right here, it looks normal, but as you let the light hit, that's when the gold pops up. So, there. You see? And that's where you have the gold lacing at. And it's also here. But we gotta get the light. So, and you'll see the gold lacing as well. And you can see it just when you move from side to side. But these are the light blues that I was talking about. Okay, so let me know. I gotta try to get my fat ass up now.